Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello and welcome children to your science class. Today we will start our lesson number 1, Natural Resources, Air, Water and Land. Now, observe the picture and answer these questions. Where do we see the birds? Where is the cow grazing? Locate the trees and the road. Where does the river come from? How does it flow? Where is the aeroplane? Where are the fish seen? On what is the sailboat floating? Okay, you see this picture clearly? Now, you can see that some things in the picture are in water, some on the land and some are in the sky, that is in the air. Thus, all living things on the earth are associated with air, water and land. Air, water and land are called the Earth's atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere, respectively. That means everything that we see in the pictures are related to air, water or land, and these are called, the air, water and land are called Earth's atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere. Moreover, different living things occupy these three spheres of the earth. These living things and the parts of the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere which they occupy are together called the biosphere. That means, what is biosphere? Biosphere includes all three, atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere, and everything that lives in these spheres are called biosphere. Okay. Now, these spheres have formed on the earth naturally. That means they were already given to us by the nature. We have learned all this in the previous classes. Now, first let's see what atmosphere is. The atmosphere is the layer of the air that surrounds the earth. The surface of the earth comprises water and land. See, in this picture, the water, this is our earth, proportion of land and water. The water is 71% and the land is only 29%. The surface of the earth comprises water and land, that is the hydrosphere and the lithosphere. Of these, the hydrosphere occupies much larger part of than the lithosphere. That means the hydrosphere is much larger than the lithosphere. We also look upon these natural components in solid, liquid and gaseous form as resources. Now, what are natural components? Natural components are everything that we get from nature, the things that are available to us in the nature. Okay, so we have studied solids, liquids and the gases. Okay, so in other words, we use them to fulfill our requirements. Now, what we saw just now, what are natural resources? So let's define what natural resources are. So natural resources are air, water and land are the factors important for sustaining the living world on the earth and for fulfilling their basic needs. That means every living thing on this earth needs air, water and land for its sustaining. Okay, we need these things for our base to fulfill our basic needs. All right, so natural resources are the most important thing that we need for living on this earth. Now we are going to study all these three spheres, that is air, water and land, the atmosphere, the hydrosphere and the lithosphere. We are going to study all these in detail in our coming classes. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.